Good evening. I'm Marie Mortera. As the Trump administration's mass deportation effort continues and unleashes fear among asylum seekers and immigrants, their legal defenders sued this past weekend seeking class action protections against the arrests outside immigration court hearings. And tonight, News 3 takes a look at how the potential presence of ICE agents is affecting court proceedings. News 3's Jane Davenport spoke with an immigration attorney on what he sees in the courtroom since 6 people were detained outside immigration court in May. Jane?
Marie, I spoke with immigration attorney Walter Jimenez, and he says despite that heightened sense of fear, the majority of his clients are still showing up to court, but every day looks a little different.
Right now, even for us, it's difficult. Every morning we wake up with news and we have to review the law, what is the changes, and doubt ourselves to double check what is going on.
Walter Jimenez says since January 2025, his day-to-day work life has been a roller coaster, keeping up with executive orders and the constant changes in immigration law. He says it's a complex system with many moving pieces that determines whether someone is detained or deported. One of the first things they look at is how someone entered the country and how long they've been living here.
If that person entered without inspection and has been living in the United States for less than 2 years, they are subject to expedited removal.
In addition to living here for less than 2 years, if someone has a criminal record, they are also subject to expedited removal.
I would say the government is detaining more people than ever before, but not all of them are being deported.
He says the Meesha Moulton Law firm is able to help 90% of their clients get released from detainment.
Of those 90%, all of them are going to apply to different relief. There's several ways, several forms to try to get legal status.
Whether someone is seeking asylum or maybe in the country on a work or tourist visa, Jimenez says as long as you're honest with the court about your situation, your chances of being deported decrease. He also wants to assure migrants that while ICE agents have deported people at court, as an immigration attorney, he says he personally hasn't seen any deportations take place in the courtroom.
I mean, it's happening. I'm not going to say that it's not happening, but what I'm saying, the percentage is really, really low. I don't have the statistics, but I'm going to say maybe 1%.
And Jimenez says day to day, everything changes with immigration law, so we will be sure to keep you updated throughout that process. Marie?